Today, I was getting ready to just cut my hair, and I was like, well, maybe I should record this because you guys might be in the same position. I really need a haircut, and I probably should make an appointment. However, I don't have time, and I'm impatient. I put on this white t-shirt over my darker t-shirt so you could see the ends of my hair, and I have to say, I feel like I'm back in high school in the 80s. Remember when we used to put on double, triple polo shirts and we'd roll up the sleeves, have our collars all up? Okay, if you know, you know. But that's what I'm feeling like right now, so it looks a little ridiculous. But hopefully it'll help you see my hair a little bit better. First things first, you want to part your hair down the middle. Get yourself a comb. Any comb will work. Don't look at my roots. I definitely need my hair colored too. But any comb will work, whatever you got at home. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my hair around to the front so I can see what I'm doing. So you want to part it down the middle in the back. You want to make sure that part line is pretty down the middle. I'm assuming it is. I don't know if you can see that. And you want to make sure you are combing your hair very, very smooth. All right? And I'm bringing it forward. And see how my ends are a little bit ratty. So I want my hair to be straight across in the back. So what that means when you're pulling it forward, that means that you have to cut, because of the traveling guide here, you have to cut the back a little bit shorter than the front. So when it goes to the back, because it's over directed here, when it goes to the back, it'll be a straight line. Here's what I mean. I'm going to gather all of my hair to the front and see how I'm going to hold my fingers up towards I'm pointing them to the ground, up towards my armpit. You see that? And then grab your shears, your scissors. These are just cheap ones we use in the bathroom. I could go get my good ones, but that's all right. It is what it is. And I am just going to cut right here. You know what? Hold that thought before I cut. I need to lay down a towel so I don't have hair all over the floor. You might want to do the same, so pause. Okay, I'm back. Fingers are still in the finger position. And I'm going to cut up to, make sure you cut it straight. Comb it out, see if that's straight. Okay. It's not going to be perfect. It's not going to be like a salon quality straight. And if you're looking for that, you might as well make an appointment. Okay. But that's pretty good. I don't have those rough ends. You can kind of tell the difference between this side and this side. I got little rough ends over here. So we're going to do the same over here. And again, I really need a cut and I'll probably make an appointment. But for now, I just really want my ends to feel better. So again, I'm going to hold my fingers. I'm pointing them to my pit. Grab my shears. I'm going to look at this and make sure it's kind of the same. Yeah, good. Feels good and solid. Let me just double check this one more time. A little smidgen more. Okay. Then I'm going to comb it back. And hopefully, hope for the best, hopefully it is straight and it meets in the middle. What do you think? Does it look okay? Hopefully that helped you. Hope that kind of gave you some guidelines. Super simple to do. If you don't feel comfortable doing it yourself, make that appointment, get in there, or have your partner or a friend or somebody get behind and cut it from behind. That's okay too. Just know it's not going to be salon quality. It's just going to get those dead ends off and might make your day a little bit better too. Makes that blow dry a lot better. So thanks for being here. Always remember, when you know better, you do better.